Anxiety. We've all felt it. That racing heart, the tightness in your chest, the endless loop of what-ifs. It's uncomfortable. But what if I told you that anxiety doesn't have to be your enemy? In fact, anxiety can become one of your greatest allies. Let me explain. Anxiety is your brain's way of protecting you. It's part of your fight or flight response, designed to keep you safe from danger. Imagine you're crossing the street and suddenly hear a car horn. That surge of fear? That's anxiety saving you. But anxiety doesn't always know the difference between real threats and imagined ones. That's why it can show up before an exam, a social event, or even for no clear reason at all. The more you fight anxiety, the louder it tends to get, instead of resisting it. What if you listen to it? Step 1. Acknowledge your anxiety. Don't ignore it. Recognize it's there. Try saying to yourself, "I'm feeling anxious right now, and that's okay." This simple step can reduce the intensity. Step 2. Get curious. Ask yourself, what is my anxiety trying to tell me? Sometimes anxiety is a signal, reminding you to prepare better, set boundaries, or face something you've been avoiding. Step 3. Channel the energy. Anxiety creates a surge of adrenaline, so put that energy to good use. Try exercising, journaling, or focusing on tasks you can control. When you stop fighting anxiety and start working with it, amazing things happen. Anxiety can push you to prepare better, focus more, and even uncover strengths you didn't know you had. To recap, here's how you can make anxiety your friend. 1. Acknowledge it. 2. Get curious. Ask what it's trying to tell you. 3. Channel the energy into something positive. Most importantly, remember, anxiety isn't your enemy. It's just a part of you that wants to keep you safe. Once you learn to listen to it, you'll realize it's been on your side all along. Anxiety doesn't have to control you. In fact, it can guide you. So next time you feel that familiar rush, take a breath and remind yourself, I can handle this. Because you can. If you feel comfortable, share a moment when you overcame anxiety and how you did it. Your story might inspire someone else. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. I'd love to have you here.